Hello everyone, welcome back. It's Marilyn here. I'm going to show you how you can add color to the modeling page to create fantastic and colorful textures on your background. I'm using the February limited edition kit, and I'm going to use the Graphic 45 Fairy Dust collection in this page. Click here to see the unboxing video that I made. Let's get started. I take the frame that comes in the kit and I'm making marks around with the pencil. Now I add my Moto glue around the oval frame here, and I'm going to adhere it to the photo. Then I'm going to remove again, and I have all this oval glue shape on my photo. That is my mark to cut around it. And then I'm going to adhere again the frame to my photo, and that's it. I already have my photo framed, and I'm going to put as outside. Now I'm going to prime my paper, and I'm using gesso clear. That it looks white but it's dry, completely clear. And I'm going to use my paintbrush to apply the gesso to over all the paper here. Once it is ready, I will let it dry. Here I have the modeling paste, and I'm going to add color to the regular modeling paste. I know that you can find many brands that are selling different colors of modeling paste, but you can do it at home and it's very easy. You just need to add a little of drops of color. I'm going to use color bloom now. This is the iris color. I'm use a few drops here, and I'm going to mix everything with the spatula, but I don't achieve the color that I want. For that reason, I'm not going to add more color bloom because it is very liquid. So I'm using acrylic paint, and I'm using a purple color here that is a hard color, and I got the color that I want, as you see. Now I'm using the stencil from the kit, and I'm going to give a texture around all the pencil marks that I made, and I'm using the spatula to apply the modeling paste. Because right now it is monochromatic, it's hard that you can see all the textures, but I continue adding it's a irregular shape if right now, but I continue around the oval mark that I have on the paper, adding more texture here and there. I want to show you, let me see if I can make a close-up now. Maybe you can see all the textures. You can see here the modeling paste with color that I told you. You can do this with different colors, and it's so fun. Now I'm going to add more texture, and for that I paint a piece of cheesecloth with ivory, and I frame the fabric with my fingers to create a lot of textures, and it looks more fun in that way. You can frame with the scissor too, but I do it with my fingers. Now I put the fabric around the frame. I let the corners without fabric, both sides, because I'm going to place the photo there. And now that I think that I like how it looks, I'm going to adhere it. So I'm going to let the fabric on the paper, and I add enough glue around the frame. In that way, when I adhere the frame, I adhere the fabric at the same time. And here it is done. I continue playing with the fabric around the frame. Okay, now look, these two cute fairies that I cut out from these two paper from the Graphic 45 collection, and I'm going to put the two fairy, this one's the smaller one here in the top and the other in the opposite side here. I think that these fairies are her guardians here, so I think that this is my point, my focal point to design the page. Here I'm adding the 49 market flowers from the kit, and I think that I'm going to put apart this flower because it's too big, so I'm carefully put apart the petals here, and I have the small flower, and this one I'm going to cut by half because I think it is too big, and I don't want that the frame make look bulky. So I'm going to place the flowers here, and this other I think that here behind the fairy, and I continue playing with the leaves here and there. I don't glue, I not glue anything until now. Here are the purples and lilac flowers, also from 49 that come in the kit, and I am playing with them around here. Not sure when they will be at the end, but for now I think that I am happy how everything looks, and I'm going to start adhering all the pieces. I will let you with music during this process. I'm going to add now my title, that is these stickers, but I don't like the white border, so I take a marker from Faber-Castell and I paint all the borders in black. Now I'm going to adhere here. And I'm using the tacky glue to adhere at this moment, but later I will add hot glue here because the sticker, to secure the sticker. And I'm going to add the tiny flowers too with the glue here. I'm going to adhere all the other pieces. Now I'm going to give or to highlight the frame, and I'm going to add colors around the frame with the Distress Oxide ink and a dry brush. I just take the rub the brush over the distress pad and apply direct over the paper. I try to blend with the paintbrush the ink over the paper, and you can see when I apply the Distress Oxide over the stencil how cool it looks, because it turns in two different tones of purple, the one that has the stencil and the one from the Distress ink. And I will continue blending the Distress Oxide ink around all the frame and around the flowers with a paintbrush. Now I cover my photo, and with a bottle of water, I spray water over all the ink here. I let a few minutes, well, not minutes, seconds, and then with a paper towel, I remove the water, and it creates the oxide effect in all this area. It looks so fun. Now I'm going to add a few pearls randomly around the flowers, the fairies, in all the area here. I'm using the hot glue to adhere the pearls. And now I take the gel medium with micro beads. These are the berry colored, and I'm going to add textures over the ink here around the frame. And I just take a little of gel medium with the brush and apply the gel medium direct over the over the paper, and then I add the micro beads in the area, and with the same paintbrush I try to mix over the paper both to seal and be sure that the micro bead has enough gel medium. And I will continue doing this around all the frame, the flowers, all the area that I want to create these textures. It's hard to see the textures because it's purple over purple, but it looks very nice. I will try to make a close-up soon, in the way you can see all this texture. Now that I'm going to add the diamond dust. That is a crystal you can see here, and because it is a page about magic, about fairy dust, I think that this diamond dust brings me that effect of sparkling, of magic. So for that I apply in the same way that I apply the microbeads. I put a little of gel medium, and then with my finger I add the diamond dust in the areas that I want. And I will add enough of this diamond dust because I love the effect that it creates. It's hard to see until I think that I don't capture this effect in the video, and neither in the photos. Only in person you can see that it is like a dust with a shiny dust over my page. It looks very nice. I like it. Now I cover the photo and the frame, and finally I will add some white paint splatters around all this area. I will give like 2 layers of white paint splatter here. And once I add the white splatter, I think that my page is finally done. Well, my friend, I hope that you enjoy this video tutorial. Let me know if you like it with a thumbs up. Any question, just let me know down below. Remember that in the description box is the link to get this kit. And if you would like to see my work, you can follow me in Instagram, Facebook, all is in the description box. Here are 2 more video tutorials that maybe you are interested, and I see you soon with other video tutorial. Nos vemos, bye bye.